Hi, now we are going to step into winter. So we are going to have to definitely change our skincare routine. And we have to think of layering. Like we layer our clothes, we will have to layer our skincare to give it that glow and give it that protection. So for that, I'm going to tell you a few tips. What do you need? Double cleansing, very, very important. After that, you're going to tone your skin with a light toner. Then apply a skin oil. You can apply a skin oil in the night, which is a blend of essential oils and carrier oils, like for beautiful skin, dry skin, oily skin, and also what it does, it helps to balance out your skin. And for daytime, you can use your serums. You can use hyaluronic or niacinamide, any serum that you like. On top of that, you can use your moisturizer, a heavier moisturizer, and at night you can use a night cream on top of the oils. So that is going to really help you. And don't forget a sunscreen. So we have a sunscreen which is excellent for the body, which is 70 SPF. This can also be used on the face. I use this sunscreen regularly and daily. So this is really going to help you right through the winter.